Hey, what's going on, boys and girls? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy here. Just put this Cooper's Real Ale Brew on yesterday, last night. So yeah, just thought I'd do a little video. Probably do a brew video, bottling and taste test maybe, or maybe just put it all as one video. Made like 2 batches before in the past, and to be honest, they didn't turn out very good. Probably due to sanitisation, I think. Yeah, I've only really read good things about this Cooper's Ale online, so hopefully it turns out pretty good. If you have having trouble finding the instructions, there's a peel thing here, and it says there. I actually ripped mine to pieces, but you can also look it up online. This one says DIYbeer.com, and it has /101. And I added, so what I did was I got this sanitizer, it's called Brew No Rinse Sterilizer, and they say put 5 teaspoons and 5 litres of water. Chuck that in the fermenter, and I think I put my a kitchen spatula in just to give that good sanitizing, and then I just shook it around the whole fermenter for 30 seconds or so, and then did it for about 30 seconds or so. I just shook the whole fermenter with all the sanitizer in it. Yeah, then I let it sit for about 10 minutes. I put this in some hot water so it would be easier to remove. I also added 1 kilo of brewer's sugar, and I added about 2 litres of boiling water and added the sugar. Then I topped it up to 20 litres. Oh, I also added this stuff too. Topped it up to 20, and then topped it up to 23. They say to top it up to 20 and then see what the temperature is and decide if you need to add hot or cold water. And I think it was about 26 degrees Celsius when I pitched my yeast, I think. Don't know if that's too high or not. But now it seems, I'm not sure what colour is the reading, if it's the green or the blue. I guess it's, I don't know. I think it's about 24 degrees Celsius now. So I think that's right. I think it's between 21 to 27 maybe. 27 seems a bit high, but yeah, it hasn't started bubbling yet. I just sprinkled the yeast on top, so hopefully that's alright. I don't want to mix it because my spatula, I'd had it on an unsanitized surface, so I was thinking I don't want to take the chance of, you know, putting something in there. But yeah, hopefully it starts to bubble. It's been about maybe over 12 hours now, for about 15 hours, so hopefully it starts to bubble soon. And yeah, I don't know about the bottling and stuff, if I'm going to put this on this video or not. It should take about 7 days to ferment, and then bottle it up. Trying to get my hands on some like 750ml wine bottles. That way, you know, I can just screw the lids on and off as I please, as opposed to like capping beer bottles. But yeah, I'm rambling on kind of, so I'll just cut this video short here, and yeah,